Guys, let's admit it. As car enthusiasts, हम लोग एक नई गाड़ी के डिजाइन, परफॉर्मेंस और फीचर्स को इतनी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं कि बैक सीट कंफर्ट कहीं पीछे ही छूट जाता है. And that is understandable also, but you might be surprised to know that the person who sits in the back seat and is chauffeur driven is the kind of customer that usually buys a car like this. And that is why in my books, I think that the new generation of the Toyota Camry is one of the most value for money chauffeur driven cars that we have on sale in the country right now. And in this video, we are going to be talking about exactly that. अब देखिए, फॉर अ क्विंट एसेंशियल शॉफर ड्रिवन सलून दो चीजें बहुत जरूरी हैं. पहली है रोड प्रेजेंस और दूसरी है स्पेस. नाउ ऑफ कोर्स द न्यू कैमरी हैज इमेंस रोड प्रेजेंस व्हेन यू लुक एट इट बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी वाइड एंड लॉन्ग कार, 4.9 मीटर्स लॉन्ग टू बी एग्जैक्ट, which also means कि अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा जगह खुल जाती है क्योंकि इसका व्हील बेस है अराउंड 2.8 meters long. And unlike your SUV that you like, you don't jump into it, you simply sit into this. And guys, just like that, मैं आ गया हूँ Toyota Camry के back seat पे. Now this is where all the real action is because most owners who go ahead and buy such a car spend most of their time here in the back seat. As you can see, I've got ample of room inside this cabin. और ये जो Toyota ने इस बार इसको ब्लैक हेडलाइनर एंड ब्लैक पिलर इंसर्ट्स दिए हैं, उससे भी एम्बियंस बहुत ज़्यादा इसका sophisticated लग रहा है in my books. Now the brand calls this upholstery, leatherette upholstery, brown yellow color, but as you can see it is a very light tan brown and looks really nice. And not just that, because I also get access to this center armrest which adds to the comfort of this car. And यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलेंगे 2 cup holders which reveal themselves at the touch of a button. But यहाँ पर एक Toyota ने मिडिल में स्क्रीन दी है which when you turn on gives you access to several functions for the second row seat, and those include functions for toggling through your music, infotainment, and not just that but also powered recline for your rear seat to increase the comfort factor here. And guys, if that isn't enough, तो फिर नई कैमरी में आपको अब बॉस मोड भी मिल जाता है जिससे आप you can open up even more room for yourself. Now just by at the touch of 2 buttons, I have opened up loads and loads of space for myself back here. Now that is truly business class style seating, isn't it? But that is not all, because यहाँ पर again going back to the screen, you'll see the option of bringing up the rear window shade which is powered. Powered shade अब आ गया है ऊपर, giving me more privacy, giving me more protection from the sun. और यहाँ साइड में आपके पास powered sunshades तो नहीं है, but ये manual shades Toyota ने दिए हैं. And while that might sound like a cost-cutting measure, I did say that this is a value-for-money chauffeur-driven car. अब सारे लग्जरी फीचर्स की हमने बात कर ही ली है, तो एक बार ये भी देख लेते हैं कि हाउ द कंफर्ट लेवल्स आर व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली ट्रैवलिंग अराउंड इन द Toyota Camry. अब बिफोर टॉकिंग अहेड, लेट्स पुट द ब्लाइंड्स डाउन. पावर शेड को भी मैं यहाँ से ऑपरेट करके डाउन कर देता हूँ. एंड वेल, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू डू व्हेन इन एनी कार is you put on your seat belt. Guys, please don't forget to put your seat belts on even at the rear seats or the third rows. Now, moving on, the one thing that will instantly stand out about the Camry to you is how well the NVH levels inside this sedan are controlled. बाहर से बहुत ही मिनिमल नॉइज आपको आती है. टायर नॉइज भी इस गाड़ी के कैबिन में बहुत ही कम फिल्टर आउट होती है. इट इज जस्ट इनफ टू मेक यू फील कनेक्टेड टू व्हाट द व्हीकल इज डूइंग. वी आर गोइंग ओवर अ बम्प राइट नाउ, एंड once again the suspension setup is tuned in such a manner that it feels supple over big speed bumps and even potholes. Now that is something that really stood out to me even when I was driving this car बिकॉज गाड़ी किसी भी रफ पैच के ऊपर जर की आपको फील बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगी. इट टेक्स एवरीथिंग दैट दीज इंडियन रोड्स थ्रो एट इट in a very confident manner, and that also gives the driver a lot of confidence. But in the same breath, unlike your SUV, you cannot just thrash it around. Speed breaker अगर बड़ा है तो आपको थोड़ा धीरे उसको अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा to avoid hitting the underbody of the Camry down on the asphalt. But isn't that the charm of driving a big and imposing sedan like the Toyota Camry? You let us know in the comments. अब इतनी बात कर ली है बैक सीट के बारे में, बट Toyota has also worked on the driving experience of this sedan. तो जरा आगे ड्राइवर सीट पे अब चलते हैं और मैं वहां पर आपको दिखाता हूं कि what all features have been upgraded and how the sedan is to drive when you decide to take the wheel. और उसी के साथ दोस्तों अब बात कर लेते हैं कि जब आप डिसाइड करेंगे कि आज आपको खुद गाड़ी चलानी है, then what will be on offer in the front of the cabin and in terms of performance. Now in the new generation of the Camry, Toyota ने इस गाड़ी का cabin completely revamp कर दिया है and they have actually brought it up to the mark when you compare it to the other options that are available in different markets. इसका पूरा डैशबोर्ड अब एक बहुत ही ज्यादा मॉडर्न और मिनिमल डिजाइन आपको ऑफर करता है एंड उसका सबसे ज्यादा प्रोनाउंस आपको एलिमेंट दिखेगा इसके सेंटर प्लैक में, which also acts as the housing for the high definition 12.3 inch screen that you get in the middle here. Now this screen is one of the nicest that we have seen from Toyota in their cars in the Indian market up till now. The steering is also new and gets a host of multi-function buttons, including the buttons for your ADAS safety functions जो इस गाड़ी में अब मौजूद हैं. उसके अलावा all the bells and whistles that you would want or could imagine are available now in the new Toyota Camry, including your electric sunroof, ventilated front seats, wireless mobile charger, and a lot more. So, what happens when you decide to take the steering wheel and the driver's seat? अब देखिए, as I have already discussed, there are some limitations that you face when riding around in the city in terms of very large speed breakers or very big potholes. But apart from that, the car feels confident and really fun to drive despite being a strong hybrid. अब देखिए, strong hybrid गाड़ियां inherently come with a CVT automatic gearbox, which is not known for a thrilling driving experience, but that is not the case when it comes to the Camry. Now that is because इस गाड़ी में 2.5 लीटर का 4-cylinder इंजन अभी भी आपको मौजूद मिलता है, which produces a combined power output of 223 PS and 221 Newton meters of torque. Which means कि ये गाड़ी मेजरली है तो कंफर्ट और एक लग्जूरियस राइडिंग एक्सपीरियंस के लिए, बट व्हेन यू नीड इट टू, इट कैन रियली गो आउट देयर एंड परफॉर्म. And that is mainly directed by the 3 driving modes that Toyota has given the new Camry, which are Eco, Normal, and Sport. And as soon as I press on the Sport button, the screen goes red, the steering wheel weighs up a little bit, and the punch comes in just like that. Just like that, 5000 RPM, and I'm already at 95 kilometers per hour. Now that is truly impressive when you think that this is supposed to be a really mileage conscious and efficient sedan. And for me, this entire sedan seals the deal when I look down at the average fuel economy meter. क्योंकि आज, even after driving in sports mode for prolonged times, this car was able to return a mileage of 15 kilometers to the liter. When I was driving nicely and treating it nice, इस गाड़ी ने मेरे को above 17 kilometers per liter का average भी दिया है. And that is truly mind-blowing considering the size of this car, the size of the 2.5 liter engine, and the kind of performance that is there on tap. Just like that, 100 kilometers per hour. So guys, those were my reasons for why I think that the new Toyota Camry is one of the most value for money sedans out there that you can buy if you have a chauffeur who drives you around town. अब देखिए, at a price of rupees 47.48 lakh ex showroom, this car certainly does not have any other rivals that it used to have at one point in time. In fact, this is the only executive sedan जो आपको under 50 लाख के प्राइस ब्रैकेट में आज की डेट में इंडिया में देखने को मिल रही है. And considering the levels of luxury, comfort and even efficiency that this strong hybrid offers, I think that it is worth every penny. तो रोड प्रेजेंस चेक, स्पेस चेक, लग्जरी चेक और वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन भी ये गाड़ी चेक कर देती है. एंड फॉर दोज रीजंस आई थिंक दैट इट इज अ क्रैकर डील इन 2026. What are your thoughts? You let us know for sure in the comments. Like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the Times Drive channel for more such automotive content.